COVID-19 pandemic, Mrs. Bessie Obaseki donated to the Edo State COVID-19 Committee 1,010 kg bags of rice sent to her at Christmas by wife of the president, Mrs. Aisha Buhari, and 10,800 bags of medicated soap donated to her by Phyllis King Foundation.
Thank you very much.
The Edo State First Lady also presented 1,800 bars of medicated soap to the committee for distribution to health workers across the 18 local government areas of Edo State, donated to her by Phyllis King Foundation. She explained that the governor and his team have been working and will soon commence distribution of palliatives.
Finalize a plan to begin now to deliver palliatives to the people. And I thought this is the best time for me to now bring the things that have been contributed, sent to me in my office, to add to the many items and huge resource or reservoir of food items and all manner of supplies that various well-meaning Edo people and people, friends of the government, in corporations and individuals have donated to support the Edo State government to distribute to the most vulnerable people in need in society.
The Deputy Governor commended Mrs. Aisha Buhari and Mrs. Bessie Obaseki for the care and concern.
Mr. Governor and the people of Edo State, through you now, let us to thank our First Lady. So, and for you, Madam, I want to thank you too. You have always followed up. You have always made calls. You have always forwarded texts. You have always sent names and said, look, are you following this one up? Are you following that one up? That shows beyond being First Lady that you care for all of us and you care for the people of Edo State. I want to thank you very much and wish that this period, by the grace of God, will definitely be a thing of the past in the next few days.
The Deputy Governor immediately presented the soap to the Edo State outgoing chairman, who in turn presented same to the coordinator of the chairpersons of the 18 local government.
Yes, as you can hear that, I want to thank everyone. This is Mega Comrade. For those of you who wish us, my family, happy birthday yesterday, I thank you. I really, really appreciate it. Unfortunately, People's Freedom Movement YouTube channel, since they hacked it, it's been malfunctioning. So we are broadcasting live from Clement Edegbe, Mega Comrade Clement Edegbe YouTube channel. And I want everyone to share it on Facebook. I'm about to go to work right now, but I want to quickly bring the people attention to what is going on right now in Benin City. A lot of people, they might just think it's ordinary things, but really there's many things to it. As we understand, Governor Godwin Obaseki did not spend 1 penny to buy a bag of rice or a bag of potato. Allegedly, they said the Edo Treasury is been loot to zero. So, give me 1 second, brothers and sisters. This man came out and wish Edo people happy Easter. And without knowing that a lot of family are not going to be celebrating Easter. And I'm going to play Governor Obaseki broadcast for you all to listen to. Just give me 1 second as I do that. Continuous offender, repeated offender. Every time Governor Obaseki from one thing to another. On avait acté national était au Bégoin. Oh, on avait acté. On avait acté.
My dear good people of Edo State,
listen, what I
bring you warm greetings on this occasion of Easter, when we as Christians celebrate the death and resurrection of our Lord Jesus Christ. Easter signifies the essence of our Christian faith, because our Lord Jesus Christ made the supreme sacrifice for us, and hence gave us hope for eternal life. Today, we are celebrating Easter under unusual circumstances, which will make us observe the most important event in the Christian calendar at home because of the restrictions which have been imposed to limit the spread of this coronavirus. Just as Christ sacrificed for us, we should reflect on the lessons of Easter and make some sacrifices today so that we can preserve our communities and save the lives of our fellow citizens. I want to assure you that your government has put in place measures and will continue to review these measures daily to ensure that we curtail the spread of this virus. Health workers who are leading the fight against COVID-19 in Edo State have been trained, and they will now man the first set of 50 screening centers, starting in the local government areas where we have experienced outbreaks of coronavirus. We want to screen up to 500,000 citizens in Edo State over the next few weeks, and I am pleased to inform you that we now have 2 additional testing facilities in Benin City, where we plan to test up to 5,000 citizens. We will review our current policies.
You can imagine that 5,000 citizens out of 4 million plus. That is not the problem why I am out today. I'm going to make this snappy. I want to show you something. Well, once again, for those of you who are watching from Clement Edegbe YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe to our channel. If you are on Facebook, share this video and like our page and subscribe to follow us on People's Freedom Movement. Shameless Godwin Obaseki and his dying of Obaseki 4+4 Togba terrorist group politicize coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic in Edo State. They have succeeded of politicize this pandemic. Governor Godwin Obaseki and his people. And Edo people are not giving me credit. If not me, Governor Obaseki will not even be sharing Buhari wife rice. If not me, if not Pastor Sage Zeyamu, you know what I'm saying? Pastor Sage Zeyamu and Mega Comrade. Let me tell you, give credit to who credit belongs to. I am the one on social media calling him out. Pastor Sage Zeyamu is the one on ground. You know what I'm saying? So, if not me, Governor Godwin Obaseki was missing. He was nowhere to be found. I used my social media to drag him out. He ran away again. He was nowhere to be found. They were now preparing to go Yaro for him. I used my social media platform to drag him out. I call him out. The rise Buhari wife gave Governor Godwin Obaseki wife since December. We are going to talk about that on Friday. If not me, nobody will know they gave them rice. Who knew that President wife gave a 1,000 bag of rice? How many of them want to eat it? To share. And they did not share it. And let me tell you what they are doing now. I'm going to quickly just show you. Than to tell you. Give me 1 second. Brothers and sisters, Edo people make una ask about where is the 10th slot of SSA that was given to him. The 10th slot of SSA that was given to him, I don't know. I heard that Obaseki gave him SSA to share for people on social media. People that were shouting 4+4, he took all of them. He took all of them because all those irrelevant people on social media, that is what they know how to do. Most of them are stupid. They work. Obaseki gave the SSA, one man collected it, and they are now fighting individual. I mean, your brother is not your problem. You know? your co-brother in Italy are not your problem. Your co-brother in France are not your problem. Your co-Edo brother in Germany are not your problem. Your problem is the government. Now, Obaseki have given them the SHA 4+4. Less than 1 year, you better ask terrorists about Obaseki, where is the SSA? You can hear now somebody is writing it here, 10. I've heard it, but I didn't want to talk about it. I heard he gave him SSA about, I don't know, around 10 or 12. Between 8 and 12, SSA. At least good or bad. Maybe they pay them 1 million a month. Or maybe 500,000. I don't know. So, he threw where 4+4 year. He talo le awa talo. Obi your honey one me. He collected or. I mean, 10 SSA. Imagine it's like me now. If tomorrow, God willing, comrade gave me and say, Mega Comrade, People Freedom Movement, this is 10 SSA provided. I will split it in different. Not for me to just carry and just sell it and collect the money. He sold it. You know, when they give you appointment, then you will sell it. That's what he did. So even his platform, now terrorist platform, nobody they talk. Because most of them, they are stupid. They buy a Sienna. 10 SSA or 12 SSA come, he collect and enter like a yegbe, you know. Or yegbe. Let us not talk about that. Let's talk about we are not going to talk about that right now. Dr. Pius Odubu Igberame Odubu, and Comrade Tony Kabaka house, hotel that was destroyed. I don't care. Must be replaced by any. Must be reimbursed. Up, reimbursed. Tony have lost everything. If not because of this problem, Tony will not lose his hotel. If not because of Obaseki, Tony will not lose his hotel. If not because of Obaseki, Mega Comrade will be visiting you. I will not lose all the money that I've lost. I will not. So, before you fight to become a governor, not be all this one that they do for platform, not be him. Now, waiting with they do in public. You see Tony, immediately bring that video. If not be Tony, I'm not going to do this fight. Tony, put me on Tony. Tony, oh boy. So before you become place, I don't care whoever be governor. I don't care whether I pastor or Obaseki. That property and my money have to be reimbursed. I don't start on since 2016, 17, 18, 19. Now because of Obaseki, now me and Tony get problem. Now I make Tony lose money. Now because of Obaseki, now I get problem with everybody. Now I lose money. So now when they sit down and they look, now so me and Tony they watch you now. Like this, so every day when I come and I will be talking about it. Not be all this year poster. When some of now they do. The real fight, now we fight on. The real fight, now we fight on. As I'm talking now, I never entered Nigeria for 4 years because they drive me. Obaseki drive me. Tony now, Obaseki drive on. Obaseki used Tony. Now he can't drive on. So all of them, they go Benin, they enjoy. Tony not fit go Benin, they walk out for street. Me I not fit go Benin, they walk out for street because of who fought for this enjoyment when I want enter. Tony Kabaka, Comrade Tony Kabaka, I repeat, Comrade Tony Kabaka property must be replaced. They say now where you they dig rabbit. Now they go talk as hotel can. Iowa Guana. Before election, after primary, or 2 weeks to primary, me myself, I will use phone to call all aspirants. Lost must be replaced. It's not negotiable. More than anybody. Other than our amiable leader that Governor Obaseki tried to remove from power. Look what Tony lost. Hey, now so we can't do and now so we do not be all this year. Yeah, what are they do? I don't not be professor teacher. Kabaka tell you know, yeah. Osho Baba tell you know here. Not be battle. Na brain. When the time they call my brother, hey, tell me something. Then on the road is to make Obaseki one-time governor. Not be you doing. Na mega comrade. Obaseki must go. Na me create. Not be. You know what we put the call camera with just the countdown, the watch. See, so anybody, whether we don't care, anybody but Obaseki, but every whether Conre Conson and Pastor Sage Zeyamo. So if people make una tell them, Conre Tony Kabaka Hood is not negotiable. I cannot suffer for this and lost all my own children, my people, money. At the end, one person will just come say, I am not the commissioner of justice. I am the commissioner of agri. I am the work like that. So I just want to tell you now, make a mark to this video. Today's date. Now Tuesday, April 14, 2020. Now I talk this one now. Now the year. Ala la mofeto. Agua anata. It will tell Tony property and not lose. Our ba. Gase property ad. Igo na gbele PFM ekwa. Keirano migo ke family awari go me awari yombo. Akawari yombo. Only na vitale because only magmenaji. Sabwa only my work menaji. Igo me no basiki go kwa. Awari me awari yo awaka. Awaka awari yo bawari yo tori awari yobo. Kopo every 1 naira every live. Back penny every live. I want compensated Tony first. I can tell me whatever you want to favor him with. I compensated PFM. I can tell me there's no other. Is there any other organization that fought for this? Now when things don't go down, all of them come since January now. When our own now almost 4 years now. Abi area, not be so. So we just the talker now. Our Tana. Our Tana. Now I go fight for Tony. Now so Tony go fight for me because we don't suffer. Now me and Tony matter. Now because of this governor. Now I bring all this. If not, mocking on go jump for that side. Nobody for fee remove Obaseki cannot be say go come. If not be me and Tony. PFN. Esuno. Agaseti. Inia sida akuta, sida akuta. So I'll go walk in a few minutes. So I got 10 minutes. That being said, shameless Godwin Obaseki and his dying Obaseki 4+4 talk bar terrorist group politicize coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic in Edo State. How? I want to show you people. Time is going. Many people. I want to quickly tell you this. Anybody bring food for you. Obaseki is sharing Gary. Now rice then show also. Now Gary the share. Obaseki go carry one truck. He go carry one load. Go one place. He go show on TV. He go tell his terrorist group about Obaseki that terrorist. Emite. Etinomia son. Etio ye melu. Etio ye SSA. They'll go video empty trailer. Make a show now. Empty trailer. They know the opener. You know go see them. Go and picture all of them. You go video empty trailer. Empty trailer. Not today that trailer. The only one I saw today. These are scam. Wait.
Yes, we are here live at Tobahaka Secretariat. This trucks is loaded with food.
Where is the food?
Materials for the good people of Tobahaka to be distributed to the poorest of the poorest.
Empty trailer, empty trailer. Zero.
Food.
Nothing. Wait, I go on Friday. I go show now the one where they open. You go see and so then put them for floor. The way you show now, you go think say something fuller. Nothing. Why you not opener? Wait. Empty trailer. Propaganda. Empty trailer. Una see her. I just want show now. Why you not opener? Why they not show us when they load down? Why they not show us when they load food? Mo could know whether na kokoyamo, na gario, na Aisha Buhari Rasho, they share, mo could know. As the announcer say Buhari rice, they want distributor. Now they divert the rice. They go pack Gary from Yokoriomo. They go pack Gary from Wonde. They can't cut down. They can't load down for one trailer. They can't take rice for the front. They can't show on for. They can't show that one. So you people are see what is going on in Nigeria. Not only that, Governor Obaseki say if person don't follow in guideline, it will be prosecuted. See 4+4 talk bad people. See, no mask. We are waiting to see when it's going to prosecute anyone. See Obaseki people. Now see, in the carry Koro, they go share. I don't know who be this. Now see, these are terrorists about Obaseki people. Now see, look at them. Collecting names. Make una not give the name. Obaseki is collecting name. He's collecting their phone number so that they can use this COVID-19. They don't destroy this. Obaseki never share one thing with his money. See whether they collect their name. Why you can't me any? You see, they are collecting their name. You see this? Collecting their name and their phone number. You see it? This person, Bella say, it look like Sabobo you are, but he put beers or betu in my one. We don't know. I don't know the person. Whoever it is, he need to cover his mouth. So we are waiting to see if Obaseki will prosecute him. Whoever it is. So guys, I have to go to work. I cannot, a lot of video here that I cannot even play. It's time for me to go. I want you to know that Governor Obaseki can fool everybody, cannot fool me. I am too big to be fooled. I am too smart to be fooled. You know, this is double standard. He came out the other day. He said anybody without mask will be prosecuted. We are going to see how he's going to prosecute his people. And I hear they are stealing back. Stealing even the things in a right. There's a carrier. Now Gary. Gary. The guy. My people, I have to go. Iriwuna. I have to go. I have signed in for it. So I have to respect it. We will see. I want you all to share this video. Tomorrow, I will come out early. Tomorrow, I will be live early from this channel. The other channel have been attacked by Obaseki people. And it's going to take some cyber technician to be able to rectify the problem, which I am not going to do right now. The money that I have right now is the money I'm going to use to take lawyer. After this COVID-19, I'm going to file a civil lawsuit against Kenneth Egosa Ike. That is number one. Civil lawsuit. Number one. Now one person don't promise me say he go support me. I even wait, make I show you. He go near a lawyer. Yeah, he lawyer one. He we go get you talk. Mona wait. I'm coming. Give me 1 second. I will tell you. I will not walk on our conga. So come me a waralo no ya go. Odu ha me ma. Ikirina ra. Kirona me muji. Me na je Canada. Ina kwemi owo yekpo. Odu tama me. Me a ha me we. Certain worry do real $500,000 movement you are. Oh yeah, anyakon. Oh, he told me that he was going to fix what he destroyed. He refused to do it. Give me 1 second. 1 second, brothers and sisters. Give me 1 second. Yes. Spice Vision of your badele wikunare. Mamwikunare ne. O saro ye. Eya rukwa ye. Saro moda. Eya iseti sinye ye. Saro ye. Look at it. This is all hundreds. Oh, wait, when we are saving you to know you're a lawyer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay. 10, yeah, make it 10,000. Know that you're gonna show, but know that. Know that. No evil. This is my family money. Yesterday, you gonna show. Me and never you gonna me. I will not take me. A politician. Always. Yeah, go around. So, my people, I have to go. Tony Kabaka property is not negotiable. Anybody that come out as the governor of Edo State must pay for those property. If Obaseki did not do it before he leave office, my money, you see, Anna, all this money now Obaseki problem. My money must be reimbursed. I love you. I'm going to work. Share this video. Bye. Oh, I went to work. I work. We PFN. Ona ya Africa to go proper for the do. Kenneth Egosaike. I see you in court. Litigation, politigation. A case me or say no, he say I'll meet you in court. When Good night.